Hi, it's Owain at Tonic Studios here, and I'm going to be telling you today about the bundles we've got this weekend available for you on the Tonic stores. Now, these bundles we do every weekend have big discounts on Nouveau, Craft Perfect and Tonic Studios tools. Now this time we've got Nouveau and Tonic Studios tools coming together to create a sort of a stencil embellishment bundles this weekend at some big discounts. So I'm going to go through them now with you, tell you all about them. They're available from Friday at 9 AM all the way through until Monday at 4 PM. So you're going to get that time to get these. They're exclusive bundles to Tonic Studios. So I'll kick off with the stencils themselves. Okay, these are the petal pattern stencils, and you've got them both here. They're beautiful floral, but also they go in a different direction as well as, yeah, they're just sort of quite funky designs in the stencils. And this, you know, it could double as a snowflake, but you've also got that wonderful bursting flower on there. And it's 50% off for both of those here, essentially getting 2 for 1 on those stencils from the RRP. Next up then we have a mainstay of our Nouveau collection, which is the embellishment mousses, and you've got them in lovely pastel tones. You've got a grey sort of metallic there, a turquoise, a pale pink and a light blue as well. Really cool. As we were talking about earlier on Tonic Live this week, these Nouveau products, the tools that you apply to them, it takes the product in different directions. So yeah, it's a really fun tool, really malleable. It can be used in spritz bottles, which we're going to show you in a moment, and other ways with brushes and all that to create so many different effects, whether it's mixed media, to scrapbooking, to your card designs and all that vintage stuff. So yeah, all there for you. Next up is the sparkle sprays, and this week we've got 2 complete collections available for you as a bundles. And the sparkle sprays are metallic sprays in these spritz bottles that you can use through stencils and to create awesome backgrounds and designs in these, you know, really vivid metallic colors. So you got pink, blue, green, purple, black there, and also you've got sort of a paler pink, a rose color as well then. So yeah, they're really cool in lovely sort of handy sizes, and yeah, create some wonderful effects and all mixed and bright backgrounds. All right, so next up we got our stencil tool bundle, and you've got brushes, blending brushes, you've got blending daubers, and you've got the mist bottles as well. So for spraying, you put a little bit of mousse in there and spray it, and then you create that, all that, those products with that mica and the metallics in, is going to come through and show. And yeah, these, you've got 3 in each pack there for you. Next up then we have got the expanded mousses. Now, one of our most popular recent launches in the Nouveau collection. Without heat applied, they will react the same way as the Nouveau embellishment mousses giving shine, but when you apply heat to these mousses, they bubble, they expand, and they create awesome texture. So those distressed and vintage designs that you would see out there, these create amazing effects like that on your project. So if you're doing home decor or mixed media, like that kind of thing, these are perfect. And the colors you've got them in, you've got a purple, you've got a lovely red there, and a green as well. So if you want to do that, you can create and mix those up together. Now finally, we have got the Glacier paste, and that's the full set of Glacier paste. They're available for you. If you haven't seen our Glacier paste before, if you've seen our Glimmer paste before, that was more of a gritty texture, sort of a deep textured sort of feeling to them. These, the Glacier paste, they run smooth, so they are as smooth as you like. So if you want a paste to just create smooth effects, I know Alison, our in-house crafter, she used it upon a big sheet of paper, and it looked like it was sort of pearlescent card. It was that smooth on there. So worth trying those out, and you're going to get all those colors there, from silver all the way to red. Yeah, beautiful sets they are. So yeah, well worth getting them. You're going to complete your sets of both of these, and these are all that have been launched so far in these shades. So there may be more additions in the future, but this is the complete set so far that you will have there. And that's it. Those are the awesome bundles available this weekend on the Tonic store. As I've said, available from Friday at 9 AM all the way through till Monday at 4 PM, and get some big savings. So grab yourself a bargain and get on the store this weekend.